In the heart of a sun-dappled forest, there lived a very tiny elephant named Ollie who had a peculiar problem. Every time he sneezed, he found himself lifting off the ground. It all started one bright morning when a tickle in his trunk sent him soaring above the treetops, his little ears flapping like wings. Astonished and a bit giddy, Ollie discovered that sneezing gave him the power to fly. Eager to explore, he decided to embark on a whimsical journey to find the legendary magical jungle where all flying animals were said to live. With each sneeze, he traveled farther, meeting a wise owl who guided him past the whispering willows, and a friendly giraffe who pointed the way with her long neck. Through shimmering rainbows and over sparkling rivers, Ollie sneezed his way to adventure, his heart filled with wonder and excitement, dreaming of the day he'd find the mystical home of the skybound creatures.